Benefits of learning karate. Hi all, we are the Indian chapter of World Okinawa Shorin-ryu Karate Do Kyodokan Federation. We have been imparting karate training all across India for the past 35 years. All these years, the most commonly asked question about the art of karate are its benefits and takeaways. Hence, in this video, we shall describe some of the best benefits of learning karate. The traditional art of karate was originated in Okinawa, Japan, and is being taught worldwide in various styles. Some of the most prominent benefits of karate are self-defense. The first and the most important benefit of learning karate is self-defense. The student learns to defend himself in state of crisis, and this makes him or her more bold to face the difficult situations in life. While practicing combat techniques, the student will learn to take hits, which is very important lesson as they will not stumble at small problems in life and will become more stronger. In the present society, it is a must-learn art for all children, especially women. Focus. Not only is karate rigorous physical activity, but it enhances the mind and body. One of the great benefits that karate provides to mental health is increased focus on our inner being. If you want to get most out of karate, you have to pay attention to your state of mind. You will learn proper breathing techniques, meditation, and will practice karate's principles such as courage, respect, perseverance, and honor. Children will begin by keeping their eyes focused on the eyes of people speaking to them. Self-confidence. Karate training is a great way to develop a good sense of confidence because martial art techniques require patience and attention to detail. Many moves in various disciplines can take years to master. Once students learn the techniques, they feel accomplished, which empowers them with good self-esteem and high level of confidence. Karate requires you to push your limits and discover a great deal about yourself during training. You will be able to see the increased self-confidence gained through martial arts in other areas of your daily life as well, whether it be in an office or a classroom. Mobility and flexibility. Many karate disciplines require agility and mobility. By practicing karate, especially combat movements, you are sure to improve your body's ability to move faster. Whether you are sparring or fighting in a competition, dodging and blocking your opponent's attacks is crucial. By learning moves through repetition, your reflexes will start to improve and you will begin to notice that you have faster reaction times in every part of your life. Strength. Proper form is essential in order to execute an effective kick or punch, but you need strength to make sure your attack is powerful. By practicing karate, you have the opportunity to train your body to become stronger and more formidable. Coordination. Karate requires students to have good stability and coordination when it comes to executing moves, blocks, and avoiding attacks. As you practice, you will quickly improve both your stability and coordination. The team kata practice enhances the ability of coordination among the students. Values and morals. During karate training, you will learn some of the greatest and most important lessons in life because martial arts teach people about how things work and how to incorporate these lessons into their daily lives. Many often find that it gives them direction and purpose. Whether you are in an office, at home, or in a classroom, the values you learn from martial arts can have a significant impact on your daily life. Students are trained to respect their masters, fellow partners, and their dojos. Improved mood. Did you know that practicing a regular exercise routine is one of the best ways to improve your mood? Not only do karate allow you to relieve stress and release frustrations in a safe environment, but they may also make you happier. The endorphins that are released during physical activity can be active in your body for as long as 4 hours after your exercise. Healthier lifestyle. If you are looking for a healthier lifestyle, look no further than karate. Karate allows you to get the most out of life physically, spiritually, and mentally. When it comes to making important decisions about rest, recovery, and nutrition, you will be able to apply the discipline and lessons you have learned from your martial arts training because martial arts are physically demanding. It encourages you to eat healthier and improve your diet and will become second nature because your body will require more energy. Karate improves your mental health by teaching and how to medicate and connect with your spiritual energy. These are few of the benefits you gain from practicing karate. For knowing more about our classes and federation, do mail us at kudokanindia@gmail.com or you may contact us in the address shown. All the best wishes to all. Stay healthy and fit. Hus.